First lesson, left-handed bass player, you gonna start off with.
I'm gonna show y'all how to play this bass. You ain't telling me nothing. All right, what's the simple start? I need as simple as possible.
One note blown, go down. Blown,
Here?
go down. Go down. Go down.
Look,
Now,
hold on. Look, do you pluck with your thumb or
depending on what the groove is called for, how I'm feeling. Index finger, bird finger. So you want to use index finger, first of all, straight your hand up. And you want to use all four fingers. This finger touches this fret, that finger touches that fret, that finger touches that fret.
hey, this is crazy, y'all.
Stretch your finger out, that finger touches that fret. Now, like the little AOL, man, you want your hand down there. Yeah. So, listen, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
All right, 1, 2 on this, 1, 2.
All right. You just try and get your fingers to move. All right. All right. Only thing you try to do right now is get your fingers to move. So, remember the AOL makes me doing that?
Yeah, the online.
Yeah, online thing. Yeah, that finger, you just want your fingers to move right now. When you come down, you slide and go back. You want that as clean as possible. You ain't worried about no notes right now. Or that amp shot. Do that all the way down until you make it sound as clean as possible. That's all you're trying to do right now. Just try to get your hand to stretch out. And don't worry about the notes.
All right, you just did that, but
That ain't nothing, man.
yeah, it's like bars.
Stay on the same stuff. 1, 2. So listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first one first. So this finger, that finger, third, fourth. You slide your finger until you get your pinky stretched out. But you don't.
What you mean you pinky stretched out?
You don't want to be the bass player that uses them 3 fingers right there. You want your pinky to be involved too. So you just 1, 2, 3, 4. See, okay, this is the bass you need. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
But they all hit the same string.
They hit the same string but different fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. This one hit. Slow down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to the next string, same thing.
So you want
1, 2. That's it. 3. That's it. That's it.
bro. So my hand might not be big enough.
It's only big enough. You just got to stretch. When your fingers get to look crazy and crooked like that, then that starts stretching. Slow. Don't do it fast. Yeah. Go to the next string. And we ain't worried about notes right now. We just trying to get your hands good. Two, 3, 4. You can right slide your hand a little bit. That's right. All right. Now listen. Okay. When you get to that, you slide down one foot, right? All right. Now you're going backwards. So your pinky leads 1 on the second string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Your pinky lead this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pinky. 1, 2, 3, 4. And stop right there. We ain't even worry about this 5th string. We're gonna concentrate on 4. I'm going to a basic 4 string.
Alright, so now we're going.
Now you right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick the bass up so you use your hand. Yeah, there you go. Index finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Go to the next string. 1. Right. 1.
Look, that finger don't want to work, man.
It takes like, you see how my thumb is based like that, so you want your fingers to stretch like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. But up against the neck. Right.
Hey, look, why my finger keep on?
Because your finger, they just gotta stretch. Right.
See, I can't take my finger.
Yeah, you can. It's gonna stretch. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna stretch. It's just it ain't nothing but a muscle. You just gotta stretch. You don't want to slide your hand as much as you want to use your finger. You slide your hand, you want to use your finger.
Hey, look. Hey, run, jump, skip, hop. Look, run, jump, skip, hop. Not spread your fingers. Yeah, shoot a basketball.
It's just muscle memory, that's all it is.
See, look, this right here seems kind of off.
Hand placement too. So right now your hand like doing this, but you want your hand to sell your hand. And I'm exaggerating just to, you know, so your hand ain't gonna be flopping like that when you start playing. When you start playing it later. But you know, right now you're just trying to get them to work. That's why I say I'm supposed to worry about notes and this finger, this.
Which hand is most important?
Both. But I would say for me, right hand, because both. You need this hand to be able to move where you want to go, and you need these hands to be able to glide. You don't want to be looking down. Eventually what you're going to do is be playing. And that comes with knowing the neck. But that comes with knowing the notes. But right now, you got to get your hand to work. So you can lay this down right here and just look. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're just trying to get each hand, each finger slide down. That's all you worry about right now. We don't get his hand to work in the notes and all that ain't important if you can't get there. Like I said, I'm exaggerating, going slow, but I just want you to see the movement.
So how long you been playing bass?
Yeah, I don't know. I've been doing music all my life. I don't know.
And you do the bass and the keyboard.
Yeah. It all starts with drums, though. That rhythm first. That's my first love.
So look, your hand go all the way down here to this frame.
So that's my thinking.
So look, can I try to spread my fingers like?
That's what you eventually want to do, but right now we just want to get them to move without you having to think about it. And you can actually get like a broomstick or something when you're at the house and just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And once you get the way you get a move, you do different exercises. So you'll say 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2. Just to get your hands to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 2, 4. Just get your hands to move. Yeah. You just want to get your hands to move. Do that for a couple of weeks. Then once we start doing about notes, you can focus on the actual note, not trying to get your hand to move and the note. everybody got their own method of teaching. You know, I found out that this works easy when I can get your hand to move. And the rest of the stuff is come easy. Just think about lifting weights, right? You don't put a kid that ain't never lift weights. You don't put 225 on the bar for it. First, you try to teach him the technique. Once he get technique, form and technique, the strength and endurance and all that comes. But we get your fingers to move. Notes. One, yeah. Start up with one, yeah. And I always try to go get the clear tone. Try to hit the middle of the fret. Old Fender BXR amp. This amp is I don't know how old, and it has finally put to it. It sounds horrible.
You mean my play sound horrible or just the amp?
Nah, the amp gone, bro.
Okay, so my play sound pretty good, right?
Yeah. But it don't matter. You just need to have tone right there.
When you say clean, that means no rub on the other strings. Hit the same string, the same note.
Now, after you play a couple of years, you'll be able to use all them rubs. Like I love fret buzz and all that. You put all that in there, and that be part of your tone. But right now, we gotta get the fingers where they stretch out. Yeah. See how your hand, you have to move your hand so much. Once you get that muscle memory down, you don't want to move your hand. You don't want to be sliding all over your neck like that. You want your hand to sit on that neck and your fingers do the work. Yeah, that'll stretch out, man. Yeah. I mean, that's a little sporadic, but you know, whatever you gotta do to get them to work. Just like in fighting, right? Okay. A jump a swing from way back here. We was coming up, we call it the graveyard. And he from the graveyard, but he reach back here. But once you get older and you get stronger, you know, I can be right up on you and knock you out. And so once your hand gets tighter to that neck, you actually become quicker and all of that.
My patience ain't. All right.
Oh,
so hold on, man. Hold on.
Man, that's a wrap, man.
Hold on, man. You gotta do these legendary. Look. What is it? What's California Love? Come on, man. You gotta hit that again, man.
Look here, folks. We'll hit that next time, man. Next time he'll be playing. Peace.
Come on, man. You gotta hit that one time, man.
I'm out, dog. I'm out, man.
Hey, this cat pretty good. Well, I'm trying to get me a bass lesson, and this right here is not my specialty.